Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bassie's Fitness Journey. My name is Bassie. It's always a pleasure to have you here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my favorite banana oatmeal pancake. It is so easy to make. All you need is just 4 ingredients, some banana super ripe, preferably the very super overripe banana. You need some oatmeal powder, you need some baking powder, and 2 eggs, guys. This is going to make you 3 delicious good looking pancakes for breakfast. It's not so heavy, but it's so filling and it's going to last for hours. Like once you have this, you're probably not going to be hungry in the next 3-4 hours, guys. So this is really easy to make. In less than probably 15 minutes or 10 minutes you're done, guys. So let's go do it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please do subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you'll be alerted once there is a new video up, guys. So I'm going to be putting everything into the blender together. I'm going to be starting with the bananas, and in goes the egg, the oats. Okay, I think that's enough. And then half a teaspoon of baking powder, guys. This is just to make it really fluffy. Let's add some more. Okay, and okay guys, so this is the end product of the blended ingredients, and you can decide to add some salt if you want to. And now is the best time to add any flavoring of your choice, either vanilla or coconut flavoring, whatever kind of flavoring. And you could decide to add some nuts now just to give it some crunch, some almonds, some cashew, or some peanuts, guys. But I'm not going to add any of that. I just want mine to be super plain. So all we need is just a little bit of oil, and then just let it, and make sure you're using a non-stick pan too, because if you're not using a non-stick pan, your pancakes is going to end up getting burnt. You'll make sure it's on low heat. Just it has to be completely on low heat, guys. So we'll just wait for this. So once you start seeing the bubble coming up, it's time for you to turn it. Okay guys, so I'm about to try it now, so actually know what it tastes like. So here we go. This is really nice, guys. So this is super ideal for breakfast. It's very healthy and it's not so heavy. It's just so yummy, guys. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you actually enjoyed this. And do have a lovely day. Cheers.